So right now we have reached Godkhali. So you can see the condition of the roads. Oh God. So beautiful roads these are, you can see over there. Green trees just covering the roads upwards. What a beautiful view. Now we have reached Gosaba river and there you can get many boats. You can also stay on the boats for one night. Per person they are telling it will be. বলছি লাঞ্চ করার ব্যবস্থা আছে? Good morning internet, welcome back to another new video. Currently we are near Maloncho. We were supposed to go to Sunderban today on our bikes. Our bikes are parked just behind us. We took a stop over here. So we have came on a wrong way. Since I don't have a motovlog setup, I won't be able to vlog on roads. That's why I decided to vlog after reaching Sunderban. So welcome back to our channel everyone. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to give the video a like. We are more 1 hour 45 minutes from Sunderban. We have came on a wrong way. So we have to again go straight over there and take a diversion and go down through Canning and then go to Sunderban. So this is the place we have stopped. I don't think I will vlog on the road anymore. So we will meet you straight after we reach Sunderban and let's see how is the situation of Sunderban. We are not actually going to Sunderban first. We will be first going to Godkhali. Godkhali, from there we will be taking a boat. So let's see. Right now we have reached Godkhali and we will be taking a ferry to Gosaba. So behind that road we will be taking our bikes also to Gosaba. So now let's go and I will meet you after all the arrangement of the bike transport is done to the other island. So there is the ferry part and now we have taken our bike on the boat and we will be going to Gosaba. It was quite tough to put the bikes on the boat. Let's go to Gosaba, taking our bike 30 rupees. Now let's see, we will go there, explore and we will have our lunch and we will come back. It is around 12:17 now. It took total 3 hours to reach here because we took wrong route. Basically it is 75 kilometers from Newtown. But it was total 98 kilometers, 30 kilometers was the west and the roads are before Godkhali is quite bad. After Maloncho to Godkhali the roads 90% of roads are quite bad, but before Maloncho the roads are quite good. So now you enjoy the boat ride and it was my first time taking my bike on a boat. So basically these Sunderbans are, there are small islands that connect to each other and since it is winter time now, this is the best time to come. So you enjoy the boat ride. Now we have reached Gosaba. Quite a task to take out the bikes from the boat and bring it to this place. So Shukruti is going there to give the money, just 30 rupees. And now we will be exploring Gosaba and let's see what we can explore. So you will get to see in this video. Just stopped here by the riverside and now we'll be going to have our lunch over here. So basically the main aim was of the bike trip, but I cannot show you the bike trip because I don't have a motovlogging setup. That's why. So so I can only show you since it is lockdown going on over here. So since two of us randomly came here without any plan. Okay, behind this are the river, and there you can get many boats. You can also stay on the boats for one night. Per person they are telling it will be 4,000 if you are wanting to stay on the boat, and they will take you around on all the islands and show you the different sightseeing. So this one small information that I got currently, and I gave 15 minutes from here to reach Sonar Bangla. So this is all gosaba for you all. So here the lockdown is going on, I guess. You can see all maximum of the people are wearing masks over here. We are going by the river side. On the right there is a river. There are small islands on the right side. I don't know how clearly you are able to see, but I'm trying my basic jugaad to motovlog. It's a small narrow road beside the river. And it was quite a task to bring the bike over here. During monsoon, this place looks so beautiful, greenery all around, but since it's winter time, the current temperature is 25, but the sun is just scorching over our heads afternoon time. We will be trying to leave from here at 1:15 so that we can reach Godkhali at 2 and reach our home by 5. Let's see, this is our plan. If we get the right road while returning, it would be great. So you can see the condition of the roads. Oh god. Let me check the map once. So just check the route. Now more 15 minutes from here to reach Hotel Sonar Bangla. And there are many construction work going on over here. These are small schools over here. Shishwala. It is basically a village area, you can see. There is a mandir over here. And these are small homes like the villages of West Bengal. The main motive is not to explore this place but the bike trip. Since it's winter time and haven't done a long bike trip for many days, many months actually, that's it. So that's why we came. And this video that I am shooting currently, you will get to see in vertical way. Now another diversion, it is the right. So going through the small village roads of Gosaba. I need to buy a GoPro soon, but the main barrier of this is that I don't have any that much budget to invest in a GoPro, because to buy a GoPro I have to buy 2 to 3 batteries, setup, mic and all. And I have also heard that in GoPro there is a lot of hanging issue. Many motovloggers have said that the important footage, while shooting important footage, the GoPro hangs and does not shoot. That's why still I have to buy one GoPro. Let me see. In 2 to 3 months I will try to buy a GoPro as soon as possible if my budget permits. Till then, you enjoy this desi jugaad of mine. Oh doggy. It is totally empty on the sides. This is a small area. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. So beautiful rose that you can see over there. Green trees just covered the road upwards. What a beautiful view. I hate all this It is around 12:49. We are planning to reach Godkhali at 2. And by return it will take suppose 3 hours. Within 5 we have to reach home. Oh my god, what has happened over there? Okay, a van is standing on the left side and the auto can't pass there. That's right. Okay, there is a bridge also, bamboo bridge. Let the auto go, then I will go. No risk to be taken. Okay, successfully passed. Oh, chalo. These roads are very narrow, very narrow. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights. Turning truth to lies. My nose is paining badly because the phone is stuck on my chin and nose. I don't know how good the footage is coming, but just with it. More 2 minutes to the hotel Sonar Bangla. Hope we get to have a lunch over there. If it adjusts goes, it will be a total popat. And here all the DJ setup is set up. People are wondering what these two guys on the bike are doing over here. Oh god. So mad we are. There it is, HSV, Hotel Sonar Bangla. বলছি লাঞ্চ করার ব্যবস্থা আছে? খাওয়া দাওয়ার ব্যবস্থা নেই কিছু? So we are quite disappointed because we didn't get food over here. Resorts are closed. Basically the security guard told that the forest sightseeing are closed. That's why the hotel are also closed, because the main attraction here, people come here to see the wildlife of Sunderban. Since that is closed, that's why the hotel are also closed. The restaurant are also closed. Only the restaurant are open for the staff only. So now we'll planning to return to Godkhali now. But yeah, basically we thought of coming here and having the lunch over here. That was not our main aim. Our main aim was off the right, so this was a good ride. And now on the way to Godkhali, I won't vlog anymore. So after returning to Godkhali, I'll give you the status. So now let us go over there. Hope you like the gosaba small ride of us in our desi motovlog jugaad. Yeah, till then stay tuned to the video. This is the first stop. And after that, there will be another stop at Godkhali. Some people will get down over here. This is also quite a beautiful place. हाँ भाई, मिलेंगे बाद में उधर ही. तो we dropped one people at Pulsar. This is the Godkhali ferry. Now we'll be returning home. So yeah, hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give the video a like. It's completely a raw vlog. I don't know how it came up. It was an update of Sundarban in lockdown. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.